Hey everyone, welcome to our video on India's vast and diverse geography. Today we are exploring the incredible landforms, climates and cultures that make India unique. Let's dive into the rich landscape that defines our great country. India is a country with an extensive and varied landscape. To the north, it is bordered by the towering Himalayas, while the western, eastern and southern parts are surrounded by the Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal and Indian Ocean respectively. This creates a peninsula, a landform surrounded by water on three sides. India's total area is approximately 3.28 million square kilometers from north to south, stretching from Kashmir to Kanyakumari. The distance is about 3,200 kilometers from east to west between Arunachal Pradesh and Kutch. It spans roughly 2,900 kilometers. The country's geography is diverse, featuring high mountains, vast deserts, fertile plains, uneven plateaus, and long coastlines with numerous islands. This diversity also extends to India's climate, vegetation, wildlife, languages, and culture. Despite these differences, a sense of unity ties the country together, reflecting in shared traditions. India is a home to over 120 crore, 1.2 billion people as of 2011, making it the second most populous country in the world after China. India is located in the northern hemisphere. The Tropic of Cancer, 23 degree and 30 minutes north latitude, runs almost through the middle of the country. India's mainland extends from 8 degree 4 minute north to 37 degree 6 minute north latitude, from 68 degree 7 minute east to 97 degree 25 minute east. This means India lies in the eastern hemisphere as it is situated to east of the prime meridian. Due to the wide longitudinal extent of about 29 degrees, there is a significant differences in local time across the country. The sun rises about 2 hours earlier in the eastern part like Arunachal Pradesh compared to the western part like Gujarat. The Indian Standard Time (IST) is set according to the time of 82 degree 30 minutes east longitudes, known as the standard meridian of India, which helps unify the time across the nation. India's neighbors. India shares its land borders with 7 countries: Pakistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Myanmar and Afghanistan. Additionally, across the sea to the south, India has island neighbors Sri Lanka and the Maldives. The Pak Strait separates India from Sri Lanka. Now let's talk about political and administrative division. India is a vast country. There are 28 states and 8 union territories. The states were mostly formed based on linguistic lines. The capital of India is Delhi. Rajasthan is the largest state in terms of area, while Goa is the smallest. Each state is further divided into districts for easier administration. Now let's see physical division of India. India's physical landscape are incredibly diverse. To the north stand the majestic snow-capped Himalayas, which mean a board of snow. The Himalayas are divided into 3 parallel ranges. First, the Great Himalaya or Himadri, the northernmost range, home to the world's highest peaks. Second is Middle Himalaya or Himachal, south of Himadri, famous for its hill station like Shimla and Manali. The third one is the Shivalik range, the southernmost range. South of the Himalayas lies the northern plains, formed by alluvial deposits from rivers like the Indus, Ganga and Brahmaputra. These plains are fertile and densely populated, supporting extensive agriculture. In western India, we find the Great Indian Desert, known as the Thar Desert. This region is hot, dry and has sparse vegetation. Further south is the Peninsula Plateau, a triangular region with uneven terrain, hills and valleys. The Aravalli Hills, among the oldest ranges globally, lie to the northwest. The Vindhyas and Satpura ranges are important here, with the Narmada and Tapi rivers flowing westward into the Arabian Sea. The plateau is bordered by the Western Ghats, Sahyadris on the west and the Eastern Ghats on the east. The Western Ghats are almost continuous, while the Eastern Ghats are more broken and uneven. This region is rich in minerals like coal and iron ore. Between the Ghats and the respective coastlines are the coastal plains. The western coastlines plains are narrow, while the eastern ones are broader, with many rivers like the Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri forming fertile deltas before emptying into the Bay of Bengal. The Sundarbans Delta, formed by the Ganga and Brahmaputra, the world's largest delta. India also includes 2 groups of islands. First is the Lakshadweep Island in the Arabian Sea, which are coral islands near Kerala. Andaman and Nicobar Islands in the Bay of Bengal are southeast of mainland India. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands were notably affected by the 2004 tsunami, a massive sea wave caused by an undersea earthquake. So that's it on India's fascinating geography. We hope you enjoyed this journey through the diverse landscapes that make our country so unique. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more in-depth exploration. Until next time, stay curious. Bye.